Yes.
Consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 11, my lord.
What is
The
this?
first, my lord, regarding the land matter of the army area.
What happened?
My lord, on 26, we filed an affidavit in opposition regarding the DC affidavit, my lord. And in one specific letter, my lord, which was also this honorable court also the on 8 to 2022, my lord, directed to produce by the government, my lord, but it was not produced, my lord. That affidavit filed in that time, my lord, did the deponent kept liberty to bring the record when it is available, my lord. Now, my lord, from the archive department, we received, my lord, day before yesterday, my lord. Yesterday, we filed an affidavit to bring that record, my lord. So, today also, we filed one copy to serve to the petitioner, my lord. So, may I pray, my lord, with consent of my friend, my lord, this matter on 23rd October, my lord.
Not 23rd. 4th of November.
4th of November.
4th of November. It is submitted by Mr. Medhi, Learned Counsel, for the respondent that an additional affidavit has been filed by the Army Authority to bring on a valuable document on record. Full stop. The affidavit is not on record. Registry to verify and list this matter on 4th of November.
My lord, item number 29, my lord, the content matter, it has become infractuous because the order which is alleged to be violated has now been set aside by the division bench.
Okay, item
29. Then I
29.
have given a copy. This is the paragraph 26. This is the order.
You are for the respondent. Who is for the petitioner?
The matter has become infractuous.
No, that's all. We'll pass this. When matter is called, we'll pass the same order. If none appears, in the mention, will not close in absence of. Okay.
But I have a matter, my lord.
Okay, you do it. Just remind it.
May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention in item number 12.
Hmm.
My lord, today, my lord, I am not prepared for this case. Thank you, my lord.
Item number
12, my lord.
What
So,
is this?
my lord, this is my lord, an appeal, my lord, under 227. They have challenged an order of the learned district judge, my lord, wherein I am the respondent, the defendant in the original suit, my lord. So they have obtained a status quo order from this honorable court, and they were rejected the injunction order when they have moved the suit and have also filed an appeal.
Now you want interim order obviously operating against you.
Yes, my lord.
You want an
Today, some accommodation, my lord, today.
not today. It will go after vacation.
No, no,
Okay.
no problem.
On the prayer of Mr. H. Burago Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Obliged. I'm here to petition.
Huh?
I'm praying for the petition.
Obliged.
Ali, na?
Yes.
AI Ali. Learned
Obliged.
Learned Counsel AI Ali. Yes.
With your lordship, with due consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 23 and 24 of the daily list, my lord.
23
and 24 of the daily list.
already adjournment is given. Learned Counsel for the finance and taxation prays for an adjournment. Prayer is not opposed. Same stance allowed. List this matter.
After vacation, my lord.
Huh?
After
After
vacation.
vacation.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes, Mr.
My lord, item number 4, I am appearing for the petitioner. And item number 5, my friend is appearing for the petitioner. He's also respondent number 4 and 5. My lord, earlier on 28th of August, rule has been issued. And it was directed to fix for hearing.
Hearing. Okay, we'll hear after vacation. Isn't it?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay. Item number 4 and 5. Enjoy for the time being whoever in position. No urgency. This writ petition was admitted under an order dated
28th of August.
28th of August 2024. However, matter is again listed in admission. In view of the aforesaid, registry to list this matter in hearing column on or after vacation.
First week of November.
First week of November.
Obliged, man.
4 and 5, isn't it? Yes.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 26, 27.
Hmm.
My lord, what happened on 25th? The said matter had come up before.
This is to be listed in the review court.
Yes.
Is that it? Let the item number 27 only, huh? This review petition is filed seeking review of order dated so passed by a coordinate bench. Accordingly, registry to list the matter before the appropriate bench. Okay. Then in item 26, you write it down. List this matter along with review petition 170/2024, full stop, interim order, pass earlier. Any necessary or absolute?
There is an interim order.
There is
in
a-
their favor.
It
Any
has to be
extension is required?
Extension is
Ah.
required. because-
Interim order, pass earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
May please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, item 20.
Ah.
It may be after vacation.
Item 20.
20.
On the prayer of Mr. M.R. Khandakar, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation. Yes. Item?
Like to take up this matter, item 10.
Item 10. You want an adjournment?
May not like to take up this matter, Lordship. We
Huh?
appeared for respond number 4, we have taken this matter.
Uh-huh.
So, Lordship,
Okay. List this matter before any other bench without me. Benches.
bless you.
What is this?
Lordship. It was called for in the-
Why this has been listed here?
Lordship has gone to that FIR, my lord, perhaps otherwise. This is that case, my lord, where the maintainability of juvenile has been settled by the division bench after that against central.
Please tell us what is the history geography?
Lordship, actually, two persons were detained.
Earlier bail was rejected.
It is not rejected. Perhaps earlier some other bail applications. were accepted
Which other bail? Why this matter is listed?
Because
One AB number 3357 of 2023. The co-accused has been granted bail. It was listed.
this by this court. Yes.
Where is that order? You are on interim. Case that is there.
Yeah.
What is his case?
His is also role is also, my lord, in the mob, my lord. Everyone, my lord, in the mob, my lord, seen hitting the victim by bamboo stick, my lord. That is
Okay,
two persons were apprehended suspecting to be my lord, cattle theft, my lord. They were tied and they were beaten up. My lord. They are
Lordship,
part of this mob. That is.
What is his role? Only part of the mob.
He is part of the.
And
my lord,
what
he
was-
also, my lord, he also take part in the. My lord,
And
thing.
what about this other Baroi?
Baroi also an interim, my lord.
No, Baroi has been granted by
Yes,
this court,
same,
isn't
my
it?
lord, same
Huh?
status, my lord.
Same status.
I was just an onlooker, my lordship. I was a juvenile.
Huh?
And I was a juvenile, my lordship. I was an onlooker.
Huh.
And the incident happened just in front of my cousin Soap, who happens to be granted bail held by this honorable court, your lordship.
Heard, Mr. You are Mr.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
P.S.
Raja.
Raja, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. M.P. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor. The present petition is filed seeking pre-arrest bail in connection with Kokrajhar PS case number 270/2023 under section 143, 341, 342. Just look into this order, huh? Okay, so in connection with corresponding direction. So the case diary as called for has been produced. After going through the case diary produced by the learned additional public prosecutor, it is seen that there is no serious incriminating materials against the petitioner, though it is alleged that he was present at the place of the alleged occurrence, at the place of alleged occurrence. Full stop. It is also seen that one Pranab Baroi has already been granted pre-arrest bail by this court under its order dated 16/10/2023. Full stop. Say to 2023 on the ground that though no serious incriminating materials against the said petitioner was available. Full stop. Mr. M.P. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor, submits that the role of the petitioner is also similar to that of the other accused. Full stop.
Yeah.
It is also taken note that the petitioner was granted interim protection by this court under its order dated 8/8/2024, isn't it?
Lord,
8/8/2024. Considering April 2024, there is no material on the case diary to suggest that the petitioner tried to influence or hamper and tamper with the evidence. Full stop. Considering the matter in entirety, the interim order dated 8/8/2024 is made absolute with the following conditions.
Highly obliged.
Conditions disposal.
Orders, I think number 29.
Yes,
I have no instruction.
heard Mr. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. The present application is filed alleging willful and deliberate violation of this court's order dated
It's 10, my lord.
order dated 5/4 page
For 2019.
order dated 5/4/2019 passed in WPC 7191/2013. Full stop. Whereby
Paragraph 11, my lord.
it is submitted by Mr. Chakraborty, learned counsel, that you are Krishna's, what is your name? Krishna. Submits by that the Union of India in NF Railway has already preferred and writ appeal against the aforesaid judgment, which was registered as writ appeal number 166/2022 and by a judgment and order dated order dated, what is that order? Just look into this. Judgment and order dated repeal number to call. Dated so. The aforesaid order has been interfered by the division bench. In view of the aforesaid. Accordingly, nothing survives to be adjudicated in the contempt petition. Same sense, closed. None appears for the petitioner on call, list after vacation. Same order. Yes, who is supposed to file affidavit?
Your Lordship.
Yes, what is the case?
This case, Your Lordship, the petitioner's husband.
Huh?
Petitioner's husband died in harness during his service life, Your Lordship.
Uh.
And he's not attended or.
No,
17
what was the affidavit you prayed time to file affidavit?
We have filed affidavit one, additional affidavit subsequently. And we have filed that, want to file the affidavit. After vacation, you will take care. One affidavit already filed earlier, and they have put direction, then.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matters stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Bless it.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
In item number 34, Lordships had sought some clarifications
Uh-huh.
by way of an
Affidavit file.
affidavit.
Yes.
No,
Where
If
is
we
that?
have not received any affidavit.
Affidavit dated?
26/9 lots.
No, that is not on record.
Not received the copy of.
Common order, huh? In which case we have passed this order?
34.
Huh?
34.
34, 3986 give above. This course under its order dated 29/2024 directed the respondent authorities, more particularly the respondent number 4, to file and specific affidavit incorporating certain facts. It is submitted by the learned counsel that
26/9 lots.
such affidavit has already been filed by the circular officer on
Logic.
26/9
Lordship.
2024.
Okay.
Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that such copy has not been served upon her. Be that as it may, the copy of such affidavit is also not available on record. Accordingly, registry to verify and list this matter on after 8th of October, after 8th of November.
Madam, I appear
Served
for,
a copy. Lord.
Just a minute.
Madam, I appear for the private
13th of November 2024. In the meantime, the counsel for the respondent number 4 shall provide copy of the affidavit stated to have been filed to the learned counsel for the petitioner as well as, have you got it?
I appear for the private
Yeah,
respondent. Madam.
have you got the copy
No,
of the
no,
and
no.
copy to the learned counsel appearing for respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6? Would you like to file an affidavit?
Yes, madam.
Okay. In the meantime, the respondent number 5 may also file its affidavit.
Affidavit filed by additional deputy commissioner. Not the
Additional, they're not circular officer, additional deputy.
Madam, more submission.
Yeah.
Madam, the present petitioner has always also filed WBC number 5685 of 2021. That matter may become up alone.
Why? What is the link? Same
Same relief is spread against the private respondent, my lord.
in that writ petition.
Yes, madam.
That matter. Lordships.
Okay. It is submitted that the similar it is submitted
WBC
that the
number
similar writ
5685
petition being WPC
5685 of 2021.
21 is also pending disposal. Let the said matter also be listed along with these two repetition on 13th November.
And 11.
As directed by this honorable court, we have filed an affidavit clarifying, my lord, that on the same day when your lordship asked us to take steps, we have taken steps. But due to unavailability of stamp, my lord, as per the version of my clerk, he could not execute that. My lord, on the next day.
Where is the affidavit?
The affidavit we filed on 7/9.
Okay, we'll list this matter on 4th of November. We'll see.
March of March.
Yes.
I need to take steps on respondent number
Where is the order?
9, my lord. So far as, my lord, the order is at page 13, my lord, 1-3. And that, and the
Operative portion.
operative portion, my lord, page 19, paragraph 12 and 13 will do. I was directed to file an application, my lord, which I did. But that application is kept pending and nothing has happened, my lord. That is why this contempt application. Considering the above, the petitioner is directed to approach the concerned authority for land acquisition in the district of Karbi Anglong.
Just a minute.
Sorry.
Yes, but who has appeared?
Lordship, in this case, I am appearing as per instruction, Lordship, 1 and 2, Lordship.
Who is Kala?
Lordship,
Who is representing Kala?
So this is relating to Karbi Anglong, Lord.
Ah.
Karbi Anglong authority is the main authority. I am for the respondent number 3, Hill Area Department. Hill Area Department.
No, not.
Lordship,
Who was to dispose of this
Lordship,
restriction?
the direction was issued to the competent authority.
Ah.
Competent authority is the Karbi Anglong authority, Lordship. And Lordship, in this case, Lordship, respondent was unnecessarily implemented, Lordship.
No, we'll come. That's why I have asked
Yes,
this
Lordship.
question. Who is representing the Karbi Anglong authority? Who is the party? Before whom you have filed a representation?
My lord, respondent number 8, the joint secretary of the department.
Department of?
Yes.
Revenue Karbi Anglong, my lord, autonomous.
Who is representing respondent number 8?
This is a contempt case, whether notice is served or not. Lordship.
From the report, my lord, it is still unserved, my unserved. No report, my lord, whether it's served or unserved, my lord.
Who are you, Mr. Talukdar?
I am Lordship, respondent number 1 and 2. I am the secretary, Mort Lordship, Minister of Road Transport.
You have no
And second
business.
Lordship, MD NHIDCL.
You
I have
don't-
no role, Lordship.
You
So
don't,
I may
ha-
be.
you don't
Lordship
have
irritated.
anything. And Mr. Why you make all those parties the
Lordship, by
the
this time,
contempt petition?
persons have been transferred, Lordship.
See, a specific direction is issued to go to the, we are dealing with a contempt. How can you make everybody a party? Who will now pay compensation to this person engaging a private lawyer?
Yes, Lordship.
My
Please
lord,
tell us.
my lord, because they were parties to the writ petition,
Maybe
my lord.
contempt is a different issue, party is a different issue. The direction was issued to whom?
The direction.
To
was
Kala, to the competent
to the
authority.
competent
So far
authority, my
relating
lord.
to competent authority in Karbi Anglong is the department.
Yes.
Now how this Mort and what not has come here?
Secretary Hill Area Department, they have no role.
No role.
My lord, my lord, it is also like this, my lord. When the application was filed pursuant to the judgment, my lord, if an authority under you, my lord, even the authority who controls the competent authority, my lord, they could have at least filed.
Madam, you are in contempt.
Yes,
What could have been,
I
what,
understand.
this is a quasi criminal proceeding.
At this stage,
We are deleting all these names.
one, two, one,
Art-
1, 2, and 3
Art
can be
Ventures Learned
deleted.
Counsel for the petition. The present petition is filed
1, 2, 3,
alleging willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 23/2/2022 passed in WPC 1230/2022. The operative portion of the aforesaid order is quoted herein below. Where is that order? Yes,
Operative portion.
Paragraph 12 and 13.
paragraph 19. Okay, 12 and 13. Thus, from the aforesaid, the direction was specifically issued to the concerned competent authority of land acquisition in the district of Karbi Anglong. Full stop. The competent authority for land acquisition Kala is Kala in the Karbi Anglong district admittedly is
Respondent number 8, my lord.
respondent number 8, that is
Lordship 7 and 8, Lordship.
7 and 8, that is
Lordship, Secretary, Joint Secretary Revenue, Lordship.
7 and 8, that
Same person, Lordship.
that is competent authority joint secretary 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Full stop. Therefore, in the considered opinion of this court, the other respondents, that is respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7, Lordship, and 8.
not 7, 6, 9 and 10 are not necessary parties in the contempt petition. Accordingly, their names be deleted from the array of parties. Full stop. Okay, fine. Filed. The petitioner is permitted to take fresh steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 7 and 8 within a period of 5 days from today, list after 6 weeks. Oblige, madam.
I beg apology, Lord.
That even 10 may be also struck off.
10 also.
I'm
Yes.
grateful, my lord.
34 Lordship. I have wrongly submitted that we have filed affidavit Lordship, but we have received the instructions, but we have not filed affidavit Lordship because on the, sorry, I'm apologizing. Sorry.
That order. When are you going to file this?
Lordship.
What next week?
After vacation, otherwise we have the instruction Lordship.
No further construction.
Pursuant to this orders dated,
2/9.
though he has received the instruction, and would like to file an affidavit within a period of 10 days from today. Prayer is allowed. Rest will same. That respondent number 6, 7 can also file. Everything will be same. Date will be same. Yes, next case.
7.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, in respect of respondent number 1, your lordship, contemner, neither AD card nor unserved notice has been received. Neither AD card nor unserved notice has been received.
Where is the order?
Yes, your lordship. If your lordship may very well peruse
Hmm.
from page number 27 of the contempt petition, your lordship, till.
No, Krivas the operative portion.
Yes, your lordship.
Hmm.
Your lordship, at page number 181, your lordship, the direction which has been set forth in the writ petitions, your lordship. May I just read, your lordship? In view of the above, your lordship, these writ petitions are being disposed of with the following directions.
Yes, Jala Shakti.
Lordship, Dal Shakti is not party here, your lordship. And I am appearing for respondent number 2, 3, and 4. We have filed our affidavit, your lordship.
Now, where is the other cases we have fixed? Asking the Union of India to give a clarification when will they, because it is an admitted position, finance is to be made by the Union of India in the Ministry of Jala Shakti or something like that. Then only you can pay. You admit that they have executed the work.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, we passed an order asking MS Gayan to file an affidavit how and under what manner they are proposing to release this amount. Where is those cases? When it is fixed?
Pardon, your lordship, I don't have.
You have MS Gayan. Day before yesterday, yesterday also there was a matter. Yesterday also there was an order. Nobody could say that. We have specifically asked Gayan so that this issue is settled. In one case, ministries made a party, so we have asked ministry to give a detailed affidavit what according to them is the amount and against whom and when they are going to release. Moment they releases, then there will be contempt, otherwise no contempt. Isn't it? They are saying this is not willful. We don't have money. It's the Union of India was to give the money. And in no cases, Union of India is a party.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, instead of dismissing your petition, give the date. We have fixed to help you only. Yes, you have a talk with MS Gayan. She is, that Gayan's case, no date. But I do know the item number or number. List this matter along with WPC 1872 23 on. Give a date last part of November after 10th. 14th of November.
Your lordship.
38 also same, your lordship.
Same?
Yes.
Same.
Okay.
Made to the
Yes, service is complete.
service is complete, my lord.
Ah.
And they haven't filed their affidavits yet, my lord.
Okay, who need to file affidavit?
My lord, the department, my lord, my lord, the agriculture department, my lord, who has allotted the work to the petitioners, my lord.
Agriculture department.
I learned it, friends.
Okay. Who are respondent number 4 and 5?
My lord, three, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 and 5 is Assam Seed Corporation, my lord.
4 and 5. Service in terms of registries note dated 23/9 in terms of Lajima Court's order dated 23/9/2024, service in respect of respondent number 4 and 5 is complete. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhuri, B. Chaudhuri, learned Standing Counsel for Agricultural Department, pressed for some time to obtain instruction or obtain instruction and if necessary to file affidavit whether the amount claimed by the petitioner is admitted
My lord.
and if admitted the reason for non-payment thereof. Full stop. List this matter in the second week of November 2024.
My lord, may I pray for 8, my lord? Immediate, convenient, your lord.
Give a date. You have the instruction. That's all. If on a written instruction also there. 13th of November.
I'll open.
Yes, Deori.
Lordship, here in this matter, the matter relates to payment of ex gratia
Yesterday,
for terrorist killing, your lordship. Lordship, I had a conversation with the concerned official on early morning here today. So they told that every attempt is being made so that he gets a payment prior to puja.
Okay.
But documents and all will be submitted, furnished to me after vacation. So may I pray
Okay,
your lordship?
Mr.
to
Deori,
just list
Learned
after vacation.
Council submits that on this was the submission on last occasion also.
Yes, your lordship. Since money has to go from here to there.
Okay, submits that the process can be completed as recorded by this courts under its order dated 6/9/2024 immediately within the puja vacation, and therefore matter may be listed after vacation. Prayer is allowed. List this matter.
41 and 42 same.
List this matter on 9th, 10th. Anybody? 9th is a holiday, na? November 9th. Saturday 10th, 11th. 12th of November.
Oblige, your lordship.
Deori, tell us that we will not be happy with this same instruction on that day.
I in fact told.
Yes,
I in fact
you told them that you will submit the compliance on that date.
or the person also.
Yes.
But in item number 46,
Hmm.
but in the amended petition, I have sought for the instructions, Lord. But they have requested for some more time. Lord. I have not received the instruction. in the amended petition. Hori Mandir, Lord.
Hari Mandir.
Hori Mandir.
Let the puja be over.
They would be convenient, my lord, if the time is allowed for the.
Let's see.
No, in the amended
Suppose we
petition-
allow also not at this 11th hour. Okay? We will take it a call after vacation.
Hello.
And today it will not be possible.
Order.
It's a highly contested matter. We'll have to pass a judgment.
Yes.
And on these 2-3 days, delivering a judgment on this highly contested matter will not be possible.
But in the
We taken out after vacation. my
After
lord,
vacation, of
for
course,
the-
in the last week, Lordship may keep in the last week. Lord. By the time I'll get the instruction, I'll file the evidence.
Okay. Mr. Nath, Learned Council submits that he requires some further instruction on the basis of the pleadings made in the amended writ petition.
Petition.
my lord,
accordingly,
on
he pressed for
earlier
it,
day
Chairman.
also they.
Understand.
signed for.
Understand. On the other hand, Mr. Chaudhuri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has expressed his urgency in as much as according to him, the management of the petitioner has wrongly been ousted from the management of what is Hari Sabha?
Not petitioner, my lord.
The
I am committee, my lord.
Ah,
Hori Mandir
the committee, Hari Mandir
Committee,
No,
Nalbari.
he is an individual. Lord.
individual, that's
He is an
why.
individual.
I am member of the, not individual. I am like.
Petitioner, that is
No,
what I'm
maybe-
saying.
maybe
the
not the committee.
petitioner, it is the case of the petitioner that the management committee of Hari Sabha has illegally been, Hari Mandir has illegally been
Ousted from the-
dissolved or ousted. Okay, be that as it may, list this matter on,
Lord, in the last month on
give a date. Give a miscellaneous day, we'll decide it.
30
My
or first of November,
1st of November. Okay,
111.
November will be too late, my lord.
Lord, I need,
Just after opening, my lord.
1st of November is a
And
holiday.
for instructions, my lord, so
no, I
not
No,
a
no,
long
he
time
might
is
see,
not
since
taken.
you have filed an amended petition, you will have a right to file a reply.
Already 2 days have gone, my lord.
no,
for
I
filing
get the
the-
instructions till 21st, Lord, vacation is there. Lord. I have to file affidavit. I need 1 week time thereafter. On 30 or 1st, Lordship may take.
My lord, immediately after opening, my lord,
Lordship may take on.
Please give a consensus date, otherwise we'll
7th of November, my lord.
how is 7th?
7th of November
No, no, no.
or maybe 4th of November.
4th of
My lord,
4th of November.
4th of November, it will be too late, my lord, because they are in advantageous position, my lord. Illegally, they are occupying the
But
everything.
there is no interim order granted to
But
you.
there is no interim order, my lord.
So
The
therefore we'll have to examine this.
earlier order which was passed, my lord, that order was also violated by them, my lord.
File a contempt.
I have stated in your,
No statement will not do. We are in a legal forum. We cannot decide personal things. We will have to decide legally whether deputy commissioner could have done this. This is your case,
That
isn't it?
That is the case.
That is a case, whether he deputy commissioner could have been done it.
they require.
And we will
my
not
lord,
go
we will find
beyond,
contempt-
we may not
contempt.
go beyond anything of the legal issues and the dispute between the two committees, because this is not the forum. We are on the action of the state. That's all.
Correct.
Yes, when, give a date.
On
24th
24th of October, my lord.
4th of November, my lord. In the
24th of October, you try it.
Madam,
24th of,
I prefer 30th. I need
38th of October.
I need 1 week time.
38th of
Lordship, Lordship, Madam. Please, please.
My lord, may I take a liberty, my lord, that item number 36, can a dusty service also be?
no, contempt dusty is,
Okay, my
say
lord.
contempt.
My lord.
Usual process, you have given usual
My
process
lord,
also,
my
both.
lord.
Dusty is contempt is difficult.
Yes.
So we'll have to reserve for judgment.
Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship. My part, Lordship, I have just flag marked that.
You have, everybody has given some notes, na?
Yes, Lordship. In second file, my gist is there. And that
Okay,
is-
okay,
yes.
let me do this thing in this manner.
Yes, Lordship.
I'm fixing it on 4th. Okay. In the meantime, I'll start working. Anything requires on that, and on that date, we'll make it heavy, not today.
Yes, yes. Lordship.
Okay, just verify the written notes are available on record.
Yes, Lordship. Because I have verified, I have seen, I have flag marked that.
Just
part.
if
The second
you
file.
just go through it. huh?
The second
Say
file.
it maybe in
Lordship,
second
just verified that part. Yes.
Okay, as agreed to by the parties, list this matter on 4th.
Yes. Okay.
Just will, if anything is required,
4th of my lord.
this
October.
October. Since on 4th, if we'll make it CAB, anything is required in the meantime, we'll seek for clarification.
Yes, Lordship.
Any confusion in mind? Yes.
Yes.
Over.
My lord, yes. My lord. Already substituted and amended, my lord.
What kind of order we can pass this today?
My lord, so far our case is concerned, my lord, he had missed the bus because at that point of time, notice were issued. He has neither filed any, my lord, Naraji petition, the protest petition.
Who is for the private respondent?
Lordship, my senior is code number.
Who is
5,
your senior?
Mr. A.M. Borbri.
A.M. Borbuya. Okay, let us do the things in this way. Today we are.
Only one point, my lord, that has to be noted, my lord. When, my lord, the IO completes the investigation, he may file in the final form, my lord, the final report or
Charge sheet.
One point is there, my lord, I think my landed PP may know it. The IO should give a notice to the informant also while filing the charge sheet as well as the FR. In this case, my lord, in the instant case, it was done. And accordingly, the magistrate has also seen, my lord, notice were duly served to the both sides.
So it was a final form. Final report granted. Then by virtue of this earlier notification, they preferred an complaint case against you.
Yes.
And there are two aspects. One is there was a final report given and against this person, not all person.
There are 4 persons.
4 person, 3 were not sent for trial.
Yes.
It was a search sheet,
Yes.
but 3 were not sent for trial. Notice was given to him.
Yes.
So he, as regards, he has not filed any Naraji petition. But earlier notification gives him a power to right to file a complaint.
Yes.
So he has filed a complaint alleging everybody.
Yeah.
So this is the case.
Yes.
So therefore you have challenged it.
Yes.
His case is that I cannot be remediless.
Yes.
Now, okay, he cannot be remediless. By virtue of this, what is the change in?
Change it, my lord. Earlier, it has been written as he or she will be liberty to file a complaint case on their own. Now, he or she will be liberty to approach the appropriate forum as per law.
Okay, so as per law will be.
They can file an appeal.
Appeal.
Yeah.
They can file an appeal. They can do. Yes.
Even a third party can come also.
Come also under the new provision.
Yes.
And
Earlier also.
there are 3 court judgment, my lord.
There's a area.
Can I supply?
Yes.
My lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, this kind of, my lord, SOP is not permissible because SOP should be clear.
So
Either,
SOP they have changed it.
We have changed.
Change it.
Cabinet also passed.
my lord, I have to.
See,
Yeah.
see, simple. Your case is that they have not sent 3% for trials. Isn't it? One was sent, 3 were not sent.
My lord,
Two were sent.
2 were sent.
Yeah.
How many were not sent?
There are 4%.
4 persons.
Two were sent.
Two,
Fine.
you file an FIR against 4%.
yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, after investigation, IO files a search sheet, but only sends 2% for trial and other 2 were there. In fact, they are other 3. There is, they were not sent for trial. So they is not sent for trial means they are not an accused. Now, what is your remedy at this stage?
Police Naraji, sometimes we file, my lord.
Police Naraji, you sometimes file. Now, police Naraji is to be filed.
My lord.
Then, if police Naraji,
But I
if
have not filed.
you have not filed, police Naraji suppose is not filed, or you have filed that has been rejected. What is your remedy?
482, my lord.
482. Now, here in this case, 2% fine, already they are succeeded. They will have to face trial. We cannot say anything. So far, remitting to other 3 persons, they were not sent for trial. In the other case, cognizances were taken, notices, summons were issued. Now 3 remains. This 3 person is now you file a complaint case. So there are grievances against that complaint case.
My lord.
In the process, we ask how a complaint is maintainable. So therefore, we will have to answer whether a complaint is maintainable irrespective of the SOP. This is one. And what will be your remedy? Complaint cannot be a remedy. And that too against those who have been in a sense discharged.
Only thing, my lord, in this regard,
Now
my lord,
forget about the SOP. SOP purpose was something different.
different one.
To save the government and to save the litigants also.
Litigants.
Isn't it? That purpose is served.
He not only he had filed the Naraji petition, but during the trial, my lord, against those 2 persons, they appeared as a informant appeared and assisted.
Limited to their
There also they could have raised.
So
this
that we
point.
understand. But what will have in the meantime, there is a compromise.
No.
No, compromise means withdrawal of the case by the
Yes.
government.
Yes.
That has been withdrawn. So other which was sent for trial, they are also free now.
Yes.
They are discharged.
I have withdrawal also challenged, my lord, in another petition, my lord. It is already notice is issued, my lord.
Okay, fine. So your remedy is there. So this writ petition we can allow so far relating to
If, my
this.
lord, entire, my lord, cases, my lord, allowed, my lord, then, my lord, in other case, my lord, it will not be.
No, we are saying so far relating to this 3 petition.
Yes, sir.
That they cannot be allowed to face trial in this regard. They are without Naraji petition, without, we are not commenting on anything on this. Not necessary.
Yes,
Is it necessary?
This issue is, my lord, come during the.
During the,
Yes,
that's
yes,
why
yes.
we thought that so it should be resolved.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, too many litigations will
But
be
it's
here.
fruitful, my lord.
Huh?
It's fruitful, my
It's
lord.
fruitful. So now this issue is resolved.
Limited to their prayer, my lord, may be
We
allowed.
cannot deny the right of the state to withdraw from prosecution in petty offences. No doubt under the new provision, a specific condition is given, you will have to issue notice to the victim. But in earlier, this was not there.
Earlier not there.
Not there.
But it was complied, my lord. It was
Now-
complied. Earlier also complied.
Complied. Anyway, we are not going to that. So we'll allow this petition so far relating to the limited prayer to that extent that they cannot be made and accused in a case, complaint case, more particularly when they were investigated and not sent for trial. No materials were found.
Yes,
This-
only,
No
only,
Naraji petition was
Yes,
filed.
no
No,
Naraji petition was filed.
their petition may be allowed, my lord, to that extent, my lord.
That's all.
Okay.
After vacation, we'll pass the order.
CAV also.
Huh?
CAV.
And you want to give some judgments?
For my lord, that if state withdraws the case.
So that we are not going.
Yes, my lord.
Because our purpose is served. Thank you for Makhan Fukan for all this.
Even a third party can also come.
Yes, fine. But there are some, I think, there are defects in this
My lord,
SOP.
yes, my lord.
Court is always against withdrawal. I have seen, my lord.
Court is against withdrawal. See, we cannot, statutorily a right is given to the state
Yes, my lord.
to withdraw. Now, if it is withdrawn, a notice generally be given. So that defect has been cured by Parliament in its wisdom
Yes.
by bringing the new act. So we are not here to legislate. We have to interpret and look into whether properly implemented or not.
The trial court is not a post office, my lord.
Not a post-
He's just filing as a
No, no.
withdrawing, he has to go through it.
Go through it. Go through it. Where is the right?
Yes,
And
madam.
SOP is not binding upon
Yes,
SOP is not binding upon the trial.
I am obliged.
Yeah.
My lord,
Much
only
obliged.
I have submitted one written argument that may be considered.
What you are saying, I have no grievance.
Just, I have given some judgment. It is submitted already, my lord, formally.
Judgment for what?
Regarding that issue, my lord. Only
No,
just
we are saying that this will not affect petitioners any other right to challenge anything in this process. That's all. But we will say that they are discharged. You cannot bring them, make them an accused by a complaint. That's all.
Yes.
Forget about government's withdrawal. What about this 3%?
No, no, they may be, my lord.
That's all. Rest, you are having your own remedy. We are not here to advise.
The gist of the case, can I give?
Uh-huh.
And it's in handwritten, I'm sorry.
No, good. Anything will do.
Much obliged.
We have wasted your time anyway.
No, no, my
Thank you.
lord.
We'll
Much obliged.
what is this?
Lordship, it's with regard to the pre-deposit for
20.
filing a statutory affidavit.
Pre-deposit has been given, they have deposited.
No, they have not deposited.
Can it-
Another assessment here. Set aside of that assessment.
Their case was that we have preferred appeal, but initially we could not deposit. Subsequently, we have deposited more than. This is your case. You say that that is not.
No.
That is relatable to something else.
Yes.
Then it's gone. That is why we wanted your instruction. Whether that is actually the amount, pre-deposit or something else.
And on the last occasion, they try, Lordship will find in the order. Lordship, they try to get, pray for giving some judgment. Yes, Lord.
Okay, on the prayer of the London Council for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned.
That's Lordship a megasum. That was a different case.
That was
This is a
different. Okay, this is something different.
But relating to pre-deposit, Lordship.
Pre-deposit. Okay, in this case, you have not deposited.
Have to also take, you have to take instructions whether it is correct.
No, he said we have not deposited. That will relate to some other assessments.
Yes.
When this mega is fixed.
No, Lordship has a.
Release
order-
order.
It is.
order.
Okay, list this matter after vacation and in the third week of November 2020. Let's see. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the petition. Okay.
100 plus.
Yes, Mr. Bora, what is this?
Lord, I was awarded a fair price shop, Lord.
Hmm.
On the pretext that there are some complaints against respondent number 4, Lord. So I have been granted a fair price shop, Lord. And all of a sudden, Lord, your Lordship will kindly see the order which I have been given. It is at page 16, Lord.
Now, where is the earlier order judgment?
Earlier judgment, yes, my lord. I have annexed the earlier judgment.
Where is that?
That is at page, my lord, your lordship will kindly see.
Yes.
Page 22, where I was not made a party there, my lord.
No, that we understand.
Yes, sir.
But
The only thing is this, I am not on that. Let him continue, my lord. Why I have been, my lord, this thing. That is why, at initially, the
page judgment, earlier judgment.
earlier judgment is page, it starts from page 21, my lord. And page 22 starts, my lord.
Now, if you say don't grievance, you don't have any grievance against respondent number 4, how will you deal with the
My lord,
issue?
what has happened, my lord? That while it was moved, my lord, there is a stay orders passed by this honorable court regarding not for respondent number 4, for my sake. Now, it is, the ball has been sent to the court of the, my lord, district
Okay, we'll
administration.
hear after vacation.
My lord.
But if I appear in the contempt petition for the containment zone 1, 2, and 3, all
Hmm.
3 of them have retired, lordship.
Okay, wait for something. Retired, we'll bring the present
We have,
office.
yes.
Not-
Not the present.
My
one.
lord,
Understand, and there is no
that is the
stay.
problem, my lord.
Yes.
There's a problem, my lord, because there's one thing I should
We
go to.
need some deliberation.
Yes, deliberation regarding, my lord, there's two things, my lord. Because this petitioner has not gone for an
Whether
appeal.
the judgment in favor of the respondent number 4
Ah.
is having any bearing with the prayer, your prayer, and whether
The order which has
the
been-
judgment is a stumbling block for granting you the relief.
Absolutely correct. Yes.
Isn't it?
Absolutely correct.
This is the issue,
sir, this is the
whether that judgment is a stumbling block for you to
Yes,
give
sir.
you the relief.
Right.
If yes, then you will have other remedy,
Remember,
preparing
that is
appeal and anything.
Appeal and
And if not, then if not stumbling block and it will not amount to interfering with a judgment passed by a coordinate bench, then only we can proceed, isn't it?
Yes.
On the prayer of the learned.
Another aspect also, when
Yes.
kindly see, because of the contempt, my lord, there is also judicial orders staying my listing, where there is one final
Conflicting.
conflicting, my lord.
If there is conflicting,
Yes.
how can we say that this is willful?
Conflicting.
This is upon us.
The conflict. Yes,
If
my lord.
suppose we have two coordinate benches passes the two conflicting orders on the
Orders,
same
yes.
issues,
Same issues, my lord.
same issues relating between the same parties.
But parties, my
So
lord,
therefore, at that stage, can we say that no, you comply with this order, don't comply with that order?
my lord,
So therefore, it will not be an willful and deliberate violation.
my lord, that is the contention of the
So
Lalit
that's
single-
why I'm saying.
the Lalit single bench was this. So you keep on going on that. So, but
Understand?
and also you
But ultimately a contempt, because there is a contrary thing to give something to the respondent
and,
number 4.
and their stand is this, because of the judgment, my lord, we have awarded this to
Ah.
so and so, respondent number 4. So that
Now
is-
can we say that don't do it, you follow the first judgment?
That cannot, my lord.
So
that is the legal
this is the
issues-
difficult legal issue.
legal issues.
That's
which-
why I'm saying that
Yes,
this
my lord.
matter will require some hearing.
My lord.
With the post vacation is the best time to do all these things, isn't it? Okay, on the prayer of the learned council for the parties, list this matter.
After any date,
Give a date. First week, after reopening. Yes, as per your convenience. Yes,
convenience of the court, my lord, I left to
6th of. No, not 7th. Give in October, no problem on this. 24th of October.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, this
Yes.
matter relates to non-payment of bill, my lord.
Non-payment of bill.
The.
Who is the respondent? Who is to pay you? Police Department, Borpeta. Huh?
In fact,
But hired, my lord.
Police are very good in filing
no,
affidavit.
no.
We have seen that.
Apart from, yes, the affidavit, the procedure hasn't been followed, so we have asked them to go through that codal formalities which they need to have followed. So they have been repeatedly asked to submit the bills as per the codal formalities that
To him.
yes,
You file an
but
affidavit.
he haven't submitted it. Once they submit, we'll process.
You have that
They-
instruction.
No, this is not instruction, this is part of my affidavit.
You have filed already affidavit.
Yes,
Then, if that is the situation, you do the needful, you are disposing it of.
yes.
Heard. Mr. That is why I'm saying if the police department is very good in filing affidavit, more particularly in non-payment of bills.
My
Because
lord,
they know that they are taking this vehicle and people are also giving but pay no payment.
And the formalities are also very complex, in fact.
But
Ah.
the accepted bill, my lord.
Why don't you submit the bills?
Already submitted.
Already submitted, then again that DGP, the assistant IGP has asked them to submit it in the codal form by following the codal formality.
They are asking now, they are asking for
No, no,
registration
tell us,
certificate.
can you do that? That you will have to, because we cannot say, okay, forget about all codal formalities, pay. That
I
cannot.
will file the report.
That's why in that thing we have this. Mr. Selim, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Borua, learned government advocate, correspondent number 124. The matter pertains to non-payment of hiring charges of
Engine. board.
engined,
Engine board.
ENGINED, engined motor boat of the petitioner for the period from 1/5/2017 to 13/1/2019, amounting to rupees 244,584, that was hired by the authorities in police department of the state, more particularly in district Barpeta. Full stop. An affidavit has been filed by the by the superintendent of police of Barpeta district to the following effect, that the bills for hiring of boat of the petitioner for the period with effect from 1/05/2017 to 31/5/2019, amounting to rupees 244,584, was received in the office of the superintendent's office, and it was forwarded to Assam Police Headquarters by a communication dated 7/6/2018, by communications dated 7/6/2018, I just write it down. By communications dated page 23, that pencil mark. For according necessary approval for making payment to the petitioner. According to the superintendent of police, the assistant inspector general of police, within bracket administration, Assam, Guwahati, returned the above bills to the office of the superintendent by a memo dated 30/11/2021, and to resubmit the proposal through the concerned range IGP DIG after observing all codal formalities to Assam Police Headquarters Guwahati with certain documents such as registration certificate, boat-wise, per day rate issued by IWT department, period, just write it down. Which is quoted here in below. The stand of the thing is quoted here in below. Paragraph 5, quote unquote. In view of the aforesaid, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will his client will submit the necessary documents as indicated in the aforesaid affidavit within a period of 3 weeks from receipt of from today. Within a period 3 weeks from today. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid and in view of the specific statement taken by the superintendent of police, and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, the present writ petition stands disposed of, permitting the petitioner to submit the necessary details as projected in the paragraph 5 of the affidavit in opposition, which within opposition as quoted herein above, within a period of 3 weeks from date of receipt of a certified copy of this order passed today before the concerned superintendent of police. Full stop. Thereafter, the superintendent of police Barpeta shall forward the same to the concerned IGP. Concerned IGP, forward the same through the concerned IGP to the headquarters as stated in the affidavit within a period of 2 weeks. Thereafter, the respondent at police headquarters shall consider the claim of the petitioner and pay the admitted bill to the petitioner within a period of 3 weeks thereafter. This disposes the writ petition.
Much obliged.
Yes, Gogoi, what is this?
My lord, it's regarding my lord, cancellation of registration of pharmacists.
Yeah.
We are filing an affidavit today.
Okay.
So. after
Mr.
the-
Gogoi, learned standing counsel for the
Health department.
health department
Yes.
submits that an affidavit is being filed during
be
the
filed, my lord.
course of the day.
Yes. sir.
Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Full stop. Prayer stands allowed. Please this matter after vacation
After. we-
on a date to be fixed by registry. In the meantime, the petitioner may respond to the affidavit so filed. Yes, Mr. Ali.
Lordship, I beg to appear in this matter online for respond number 4.
Huh?
I beg to appear for respond number 4, Your Lordship, in the matter.
Respondent number 4.
4. Yes.
What is land acquisition? What is the issue?
Your lordship, land has been acquired from me, your lordship,
Okay.
by the government, your lordship.
For construction
For
of-
widening of road.
Okay.
Now, your lordship, I have been given notice that you submit your papers and other things regarding your ownership and take back the money which is actually lying. So far the compensation of Zirat is concerned, your lordship, that has been paid to me.
Okay.
That is to the amount of rupees 7,41,368.
Okay.
That is the compensation for Zirat, your lordship. So far the compensation for the land is concerned for
27, 36, 846.
7,41,368.
Yeah, that has been paid to you.
This is
741, 368 paid to you. Isn't it?
for Zirat.
Jirat. And the land acquisition.
Lordship, 2 kota 18 lesser. It is 27 lakhs 23,876.
Okay, fine.
That is. Now they have paid, your lordship, so far the Zirat is concerned, 7 lakh 40.
No, that we understand.
Yeah.
Now the main
I
compensation.
have not been given, your lordship, that
Land
is the
acquisition.
land acquisition.
Now, who is the acquiring authority and collector you representing?
I'm it.
What is your stand?
Our stand is that.
Have you
actually
filed
they-
affidavit?
No. In fact, in this matter, it has come for the second day.
Hmm.
The previous day notice was issued.
No, I
but
understand.
They haven't served us any extra copy. We are yet to serve.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That
So
is
this
fine.
is, this is as regard that compensation amount which has been asked to be hold up. So there has been an objection by the private respondent not to disburse because he was claiming ownership over that particular plot of land. So in these kind of cases, the matter ought to, in my humble
No,
submission.
that we understand.
Yeah.
But we need some clarity. What is your stand actually? Why are you not paying? We know.
Because there is an objection. being raised.
So therefore, that
mat-
should be on record by an affidavit,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes.
Then only we can understand what
Yes.
is the issue.
I have filed my affidavit, Your Lordship.
We'll come to you later on,
Very.
isn't it?
আমাক extra copy দিয়ে নাই দাদা।
Extra copy to যেতিয়া ক'ব লাগিলে যেতিয়া দিব লাগে। সেইটো
আমি কেনেকে
আমি admission ৰ time ত
The present
কেনেকে ক'ম? এইটো
application.
record টো আহিছে তেতিয়াৰ পৰা
Just
এইটো-
a minute, just a minute. Please,
Extra copy?
don't talk. Please don't talk.
This is a, this is a procedure. I need not say. Nor am I requesting.
The matter pertains to claim of compensation for acquisition of land in connection with LA case number 18 of 2018. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that though compensation against Jirat has been paid, however, the land acquisition compensation has not been paid. Full stop. It is the case of the respondent number 4 that respondent number 4 is the owner of the land and respondent number 4 is entitled for such compensation. Full stop.
Three
The
courts have
state has not filed any affidavit till date, though Mr. Borua submits that such affidavit could not be filed for want of extra copies which the petitioners were required to serve upon them after issuance of notice.
Yes.
Full stop. Be that as it may, Mr. S. Ali, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the requisite copies to the Mr. Borua, Mr. Borua, as well as some copies to the respondents, state respondents who are alleged party in this case through their respective counsels. Such copy be served within a period of 5 days. Full stop. In the meantime, petitioner may respond to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4, if so advised. Full stop. List this matter on.
Or 25th October.
They will not
It's a
file
very
affidavit.
short period because
We know that, Mr. Ali.
First week of November.
That is what we are proposing. First week of November.
First will say, your lordship, date may be fixed, your lordship.
We will fix a date. That's why I'm asking which date.
any day lordship.
No, give us a date. See, these matters, if it is, you just take your stand clear. What was the award against whom? Who was the party? What is the situation? Then if there is a claim, counter claim, whether this court will decide or.
Order
I am
kala.
the recorded pattern.
That's why.
Notice has been served upon me. Jirat has been partly paid. And now this somebody compensation for
so
land is
therefore-
concerned.
therefore
If
that-
somebody objects that I am the owner,
No,
can
no.
it be believed?
So therefore, they will
Can
have
it be
to, they
believed?
are the neutral party. They have decided in your favor. Let them file an affidavit. That's all. We want an affidavit, how you have acquired the land, to whom you have issued notice, and where is the award. That's all. Award will reflect.
Yes.
Yes.
There's misrepresentation that goes to the root of the matter. in
No,
this
no, we do not. We'll examine everything on once the government is file affidavit.
I have no difficulty.
We want to know the stand of the acquiring authority, the collector. Then only we can enter into a dispute between you.
Very well, your lordship. Lord, I can show from the very
Simple,
document
simple, yes,
the ownership.
12th
May I
of
request
November.
First,
Huh?
what
Lordship, I
date you
pray for reflecting the name of HC
Okay.
Revenue.
12th of November.
SC revenue, name be reflected. Huh?
My
But
name
Mr.
also-
Borua, make it sure.
Lordship,
So
my
it's
name
get-
may be
মুকু
দুটা।
লাগিব, book দুটা লাগিব। Revenue
Your
Department.
may I request-
Mr. Ali, this is the procedure. You will have to give copies, and in the record there is no reflection that you have served copies. Notice means you will have to give copies. As
No, no,
simple
we
as-
have served copies by.
No, you have served copies prior to issuance of notice. But once notice is issued, you will have to serve the copy. You need not issue formal notices.
Your lordship, may I request if my name can be reflected?
Yes, register to reflect the name of the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 in the cause list.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, next case.
May I please? Malota, this is regarding Malota demarcation of a particular plot of land. Now lordship will find at page 31 is the Malota application to the competent authority. Page 31. my lord.
Yes, there is water logging. What to do?
Lordship, this is the instruction having the last year instruction, 5823.
Hmm.
And the second instruction, Lordship, goes to show that perhaps there was no case for demarcation as a procedure like miscase was registered because circle officer has informed that the petitioner has not approached the circle officer.
Petitioner has not filed.
File an affidavit.
Lordship.
They say that there is no application filed by you. You will have to, the moment they take this, then you will have to simply file your proof. You will have to give that you have filed an application before the circle officer.
Otherwise, Lordship,
There is a
direction may
proof,
be
Page
given.
31
Huh?
lordship will find.
Huh?
Page 31. They refuse to accept the Malota application.
File under the new provision. That's all. What is that?
Then yes, then
Huh?
Malota, let it be Malota. I will file Malota fresh application. before
Heard
the
Mr.
competent
M.U. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner as well as Mr. Borua.
For respondent number
S.R.
13456.
Borua, learned counsel for respondent number 1, 3, 5 and
13456.
6, and M.S. Bordoloi for respondent number 2 and 4. Full stop. The petitioner has approached this, according to the petitioner, petitioner had approached the circle officer Bilasipara Revenue Circle via an application dated 20/02/2023 for demarcation of land, demarcation and boundary pillar in respect of land measuring 1 katha 2.5 lessa. Just correct me if I am wrong. Comma 17.5 lessa, 12.5 lessa, 5.0 lessa, and 15.0 lessa covered by Kheraz Miadi Patta number 237, comma Dag number 410 at village Bilasipara Devottor Agri within bracket town under Bilasipara Revenue Circle District Dhubri Assam. Full stop. The learned state count Mr. S.R. Borua on instruction has submitted on a written instruction on the basis of a written instruction issued to him instruction issued by the circle officer to the additional not written written communication instruction written communication issued by the circle officer Bidasi Para Revenue Circle addressed to the additional district commissioner. It is stated, it is submitted by Mr. Borua that according to the circle officer, the petitioner has never approached the circle officer filing such application, and it is the general practice that once an application is filed, a miscase is registered for issuance of notice upon the other respondents. Full stop. According to the circle officer, as reflected in his communication, that according to him, it is his bounden duty to act upon the said petition by registering a miscase. However, no such application is filed. Full stop. It is also submitted by Mr. Borua that under the Act,
Right to public service.
under the Right to Public Service Act, so and so, just look into so and so. A specific procedure has been prescribed for filing application for demarcation of land, and petitioner may be directed to file a fresh petition in terms of the aforesaid act and the rules framed thereunder in view of the contradictory stand taken by the petitioner by the circle officer. Full stop. Mr. Mahmood Mondal, learned counsel, also submits that his client will file a fresh application in terms of the aforesaid act, and his case should be considered as per law and in terms of the aforesaid court. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid consensus, the writ petition stands disposed of, permitting the petitioner to file an appropriate application for demarcation of the land in terms of so and so act, and in event such application and file, same be considered in terms of the said act so and so and within the period prescribed under the said act.
That written communication may be kept on record.
Okay. The written communication dated 16th of August 2023 is kept on record.
Okay. Another
is not necessary. Let them
Lots.
give. This will again create dispute.
Lots.
Let them do in the under the act.
Lots.
Okay. Yes.
The contractor Bill Miller. DC Gwalpara is the releasing authority Miller.
Yes, Borua. Who is to do?
DC Gwalpara.
Yes, although we have,
DC Gwalpara.
yes, although we have received instruction, but this is not specific. I need some more time.
Okay, Mr. Borua, S.R. Borua, learned counsel submits that though he has received the instruction from the concerned deputy commissioner, however, such instruction is not complete to ascertain whether the amount of money claimed by the petitioner is admitted or not, and therefore he would require some time to complete his instruction. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed
Month of November.
in the month of November. Give a date. November 20.
Obliged.
Madam.
Yes.
The matter of this case is regarding non-payment of contractual bill amount.
Any instruction?
Yes, your lordship, instructions I have received, your lordship. As per the instruction, 9,670 is outstanding, your lordship. Others amount is already paid, your lordship. Only minimum amount, your lordship.
Yes. It is the case of the petitioner that an amount of rupees 41,574 being being outstanding bill has not been paid to the petitioner for execution of the work under Water Resource Department.
Yes, your lordship.
Water Resource Department. The Learned Standing Council for the Water Resource Department has obtained instruction and submits that the out of total 41,574 outstanding bill, an amount of rupees
9670.
9670 only still remains unpaid, and same would be paid within a period of 6 weeks.
3 months, your lordship.
3 months, within a period of 3 months from today. In view of the aforesaid, the writ petition stands disposed of, directing, permitting the petitioner to file representation before the authority, and after verification, the authority shall pay the admitted amount to the petitioner within a period of 3 months thereafter.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr.
So on last occasion, Master, the government took time by the for filing.
Huh? What is the issue? Tell us.
Issue, my lord, the petitioner running a mall, my lord.
Mahal.
Yes, my lord.
Mahal of?
Commercial.
Okay.
Complex, my lord.
Mall. I thought Mahal. Okay. Mall then?
But with due permission from the concerned authority.
Now?
And suddenly, my lord, the Deputy Commissioner SP and the concerned revenue staff came to the mall, my lord, and they starting measuring from the middle of the road to the mall, my lord, 50 feet, my lord. And they asked the owner of the mall, my lord, to
Now
demolish.
what happened in the meantime?
In the meantime, my lord, already petitioner to obtain the interim order on the very next day, my lord, on 21. On the same day, my lord, on evening, my lord, some portion of the front side, my lord, they asked me to demolish the front pillar.
Have you demolished? Let us not go. Let us cut the long story short. Whether any demolition after this order dated 20.
Only the front
Now
portion
what
was-
is to be done today? Tell us.
Because, my lord, they are.
Who has filed affidavit?
Deputy Commissioner and.
What is his stand?
No, we have not filed.
Not filed.
No, we have not
Affidavit
filed.
only filed the only filed at the Doboka municipality. They said that we have done our under the instruction of the Deputy Commissioner and other.
Okay, Deputy Commissioner filed affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay. SR Burwa Learned Council for the petitioner submits that he may be granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner Hojai.
Hojai.
Prayer is allowed. List this matter on. Give a date. Now you are running the show.
But it should be actually, he has made party the Deputy Commissioner Nogao, but I think it should be.
Then it was Nogao, my lord.
Deputy Commissioner Hojai.
No, 2023 last.
Hojai, full stop, full stop. In the meantime, the petitioner is permitted to correct the cost title by correcting the name of the Deputy Commissioner Hojai to be Deputy Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner Nogao to be Deputy Commissioner Hojai, in as much as during the pendency of this writ petition, let the Deputy Commissioner, it will record will be in the Deputy Commissioner Nogao only.
No, it is the case of 2023. And so far as my knowledge concerned, prior to 2023, district was changed.
No. Temporarily, some.
No, DRO's district was created, but temporarily such notification was stayed.
In between.
So let Nogao, we are not saying district, an affidavit be filed by the Deputy Commissioner Nogao.
SDO Civil Hojai also party, my lord. SDO Civil.
Then they will do, who will file if SDO files SDO?
Interim order passed.
Interim order passed shall continue till the next date of listing. Give a date. 12th of November.
Obliged.
Yes, what is this?
Regarding payment of subsidy, my lord, they have applied in. And
We have not
just
received,
forwarded-
we have not
forwarded
received the
by-
instructions, Lord. So we'll need.
What
some
is
time.
the subsidy here? Capital subsidy.
Yes, my
It's a
lord.
central capital investment
Central
subsidy.
capital investment subsidy 2007.
Against 2007.
Case was recommended and forwarded by GM in 14 August 2014. And it was rejected.
There was a
on the
speaking order,
ground-
Lordship. There are a lot of shortfall of documents. That's why it was rejected. They haven't submitted the documents in spite of repeated requests.
Your office.
But like only thing is that, Lordship, I haven't got the written instructions. I'll file an affidavit. So
File,
I'll
file, file.
Record of sending the, placing the documents.
File.
And my lord, verifying everything, GM has only forwarded their case.
GM only is only forwarding authority. He is not the authority to.
It is the central government.
Yes, Lordship, it will
He
be
made
decided by.
scrutiny out of all the documents.
No, it is the central government who will pay the subsidy
They'll
under
pay
the
the subsidy.
2000.
My lord, scrutinized by the state government.
That we understand. They are the nodal agency to forward.
So, Lordship, GM forwards it to the Industries Department. Industries Department Directorate examines the documents. Then, like, if shortfall of documents, it will be sent back. They're calling for the documents. So, all documents were requested to them. There are several letters, but like the relevant documents are not given.
So you
that's
file
why-
as affidavit to the
I will
effect.
file an affidavit. So, Lordship, I will just give you.
Mr. Kolita, Learned Counsel, praised for when it was rejected.
It was rejected by a speaking order on
23, my lord. 31st July 23.
31st July 23.
28th July 2020.
Anyway, full stop.
That's 45.
Learned, Mr.
maybe we can check. ঠিক আছে
আমি এখন দিয়া proof আছে sir.
ঠিক আছে বিস্তারিত লিখে।
Mr. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the
কেটে
respondent department submits that the claim of the petitioner has rightly been rejected and he would like to bring on record the materials on the basis of which the such prayer of the petitioner for capital subsidy,
investment subsidy.
central capital investment subsidy was refused by way of an affidavit. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter
After puja application.
after puja.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Dekka.
My lord, first of all, my lord, I beg to tender my unconditional apology before this honorable court, my lord,
Why?
as I could not file my reply due
Ah.
to some inconvenience on my part, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord.
What is the
my lord, the subject
issue
matter-
here?
Subject matter of challenge is this, my lord, in the tender clause, they require the US FDA certificate, my lord.
Hmm.
And our contention is this, my lord,
Hmm.
the US FDA is applicable for the.
What is
medicines-
the supply of what?
It's contrast, my lord, it is used in the CT scan machines, my lord. And the
Okay.
requirement is for procuring the.
There is no interim order.
No interim, my lord. In fact, my lord, this tender process by which the petitioner got the, my lord, as a L1 bidder, he got the work order. That has been cancelled and new tender has been floated. He has participated there. Then
And-
the same condition is there in the new tender also. But my lord, that condition has not been put to check.
That is put to challenge.
Without
Kindly come to my prayer,
challenging
my lord.
that, my lord,
Okay.
by making a.
You continue with.
After vacation, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Dekka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted further 2 weeks time
My lord.
to file the reply affidavit. Prayer is allowed.
Only thing, my lord, can I, my lord, pray for a leave at least to open the, my lord, technical bit? That they are waiting, my lord. Otherwise, there is no stay order. My
Who is supplying now?
My lord, that I can't say, my lord. Somebody is doing it, but we need to complete it, my lord. Petitioner has participated in the fresh tender. We
After
have stated
filing
in
of the
affidavit.
petition, my lord,
Hmm.
after issuance of notice, we participated, my lord.
If that leave is granted, my lord, at least we can proceed. Otherwise, my lord, there is no stay. I leave it to your lordship.
Proceed with it. There is no stay. It is made clear that as there is no interim order,
Nothing is there in the.
in no interim order, the respondent authorities will be at liberty to proceed on the basis of the.
Yes, sir.
affidavit.
Obliged.
Reply of like.
Yes. E45 too.
My lord, here 27 line and affidavit in opposition has been filed.
File.
Yes, so we want to respond it, my lord.
Lordship, as per the direction of this honorable court, affidavit has been filed, your lordship. There, your lordship, the queries made in the last order, your lordship.
Has been answered.
Yes, your lordship. It is stated that lordship, the plot of land, lordship, page
No,
number.
what about the affidavit? Why there was a delay? Any affidavit file?
Delay, your lordship, in this.
That has, you have explained. Okay,
Mentioned why the delay.
Okay,
and
okay.
annexures are also being.
okay, okay, fine. We'll consider on 12th of November. Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to respond to the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number affidavit official by the state authorities on 27/9/2024. List accordingly. 12th of 12.
Bless your lordship.
11, huh?
For hearing, I think 43.
The respondent, Chief Judicial Magistrate.
Yes,
Chief
what you
Judicial
say?
My lord, I have got the copy of the report also, my lord. In fact, although the district judge has forwarded the report, my lord, in fact, it was inquired by the CGM, my lord. One thing, my humble prayer before lordship, my lord, how the office of the CGM issued the certified copy in the year 2007, when the search sheet was submitted during 2006, my lord, and thereafter they said it was misplaced from the police station, my lord.
File an affidavit.
My lord.
File an affidavit.
The affidavit is there, my lord.
You have taken this stand on the
Yes,
basis of the
yes,
report.
We have, no, after this report, my lord, no affidavit we have filed. But we
Reports
can,
copy are given to all.
Yes.
yes,
Huh?
to that aspect, we can file an affidavit.
All the copies given to all. Report of the copy given to all. So we are saying that you file affidavit responding to the, we are not saying affidavit in opposition.
My lord.
We are saying affidavit responding to the inquiry report. Any party can file it.
Right.
Support, not support. We are not saying that they are
Right,
filing a serious thing. You can,
But,
you can assist this court. You can
yes,
take out
certainly,
what are the
certainly.
gaps and what are not. That's all.
Yes.
Mr. Das, you also.
Because the report contains the.
See, if a report is against the state, it is our bounden duty to at least taking on accepting that or doing proceeding further. State should be given a
Yes, yes.
at least
And
it-
my, in
Absolutely.
this effect, my lord, my respectful submission is, my lord, this report is in the eye of law, no report. my lord.
okay. If you file an affidavit,
My
let
lord.
us see.
And the based
Don't
on a
use
submission-
don't use too many words, but
My lord.
just assist us.
My lord, I will
Okay.
assist.
Mr. Goswami, Learned Additional Advocate General, submits that he has gone through the report submitted by the submitted pursuant to this court order. However, in view of the findings, the state would like, he has instruction to submit that the state would like to file an affidavit responding to such affidavit. Prayer is allowed. List this matter. Last part of November.
Last part, oblige.
Give a date. 28th of November. Mr. Das, just think over it. This is a issue, a citizen and maybe fault on the part of the administration or on the fault of the judiciary. At the end of the day, there is somewhere fault. If we accept the report, then it is the state. If we don't accept, then it is we. So let
State
us,
will always dispute.
no, no, we are not.
CM is silent.
No, I'm
Wording
telling you,
is
please,
prime
please,
issue.
we are not asking you to argue on this matter.
Yes.
What I'm saying is,
Yes.
please assist this court in
Yes.
the aforesaid backdrop.
In the
In
view of this
in
factual
this, why
scenario,
should what should happen to a
Yes.
Yes.
admitted position is that some important documents
been
belonging to the
lost.
petitioner is lost.
Yes.
We'll have
But-
to take in mind
Right.
while acting
Yes.
as a judiciary or as a state.
Yes.
That is what I say, that both of you are an additional advocate general.
Without
You are
giving
representing
anyone.
high court.
Yes.
How to tackle this issue?
Yes.
It is not
How
a,
to come to a conclusion. That is
How to come. and it is not
resolve
a,
the-
not a blame game. That
Yes.
this so and so is bad, so and so
That
is
is what
good.
I am trying to, yes, ma'am. Highly.
The way out for us.
Way out. That is the
Yes,
main thing.
That we are trying.
Your
The way-
lordship is here for resolving the dispute only.
Yes. So the way
Much
out, we want your assistance, proper assistance.
My lord.
Yes.
Highly.
Obliged. Yes, Borua.
This was the matter, my lord, regarding, my lord, on last occasion days, told about the assessment committee, my lord.
I pray for time being, your lordship. My senior is
Oh, no time being. May Borua after vacation, please.
His senior was, I informed, my lord, he was here, my lord.
Okay, on the prayer of the learned council for the parties, list this matter on fourth. We'll give a take chance on fourth. Okay? Fourth, this fourth. On the last date. If
Yes.
possible, then on otherwise they'll go after vacation.
Obliged.
Obliged.